How's it going, guys? My name is Rami. Welcome back to yet another episode of RQ's Garage. I'm really excited about this episode because I messed up. Right behind me, you guys know it, it's my handy dandy Acura TL. On the front rim is nice and silver, brand spanking new. On the rear rim, that is some regretful Plasti-Dip that I did about 4 or 5 years ago, and I am ready to get this stuff off. I was young and dumb, and I really regret this Plasti-Dip job. It's old, I have not been taking care of it. It's chipping everywhere, as you can see, and I'm just ready to get this stuff off. That at first looks great coming from the factory, but with Plasti-Dip over the years and not maintaining it very well, so part of it's actually my fault, I'm ready to get rid of this stuff. A couple months ago, I hit a huge pothole in the winter and I had to get a brand new rim, which is why this one's silver. Just to prove it to you, here's my front driver's side, again, also in rough condition, and my rear driver's side. There's just chipping everywhere. It's time to get rid of this stuff. I'm tired of it, so I'm excited to make this video. So I'd like to remove the Plasti-Dip on my rims. I got 2 different items I think we could try and test out to see which one works on Plasti-Dip removal, which one doesn't. I think we know the answer, but it'd be cool to try regardless. So on my right hand, I have the dipyourcar.com Plasti-Dip Dissolver, designed by professionals, all natural ingredients, biodegradable, and no corrosion. My good friend of mine, shout out to my boy Isa Kadisi, he hooked this up, gave it to me a while ago, and I'm excited to give it a try because I really want to see how well this stuff works. And of course, we got the classic, the Dawn dish soap power washer. We know it, we love it, we've seen it on TikTok. So let's see how these both go against each other. I think we know the answer, but it doesn't hurt to give it a try. You know, we have 3 rims, 2 products. Let's see what we find out. All right, so we got both of my rear tires off of my vehicle. On one rim, we're gonna be using the Dip Dissolver. And on the other rim, we're gonna be using our Dawn PowerWash dish soap. So the key here is to remove the Plasti-Dip. All right, so we're gonna start off with the Dip Dissolver. So just like the instructions say, we're just gonna spray down this bad boy. I'm gonna take off the center cap because that's not dipped. We don't need that, so just go underneath. Pop it right off. All right, let's give it a try. Smells incredible, that's for sure. So, I'm trying to get every surface. All right, we'll give it a 1 to 3 minute timer. All right, and the other rim, we're gonna use our Dawn Power Wash. So I'm just gonna right off the bat and say this is not gonna work, but everything smells amazing. All right, so we'll let these 2 soak up. I'll respray that guy in a couple minutes, and then let's see how these work. So it's been about 3 minutes. Let's go ahead and respray. All right, so it's been about 5 minutes or so total. The instructions say if you just wipe your finger off the Plasti-Dip, it should just fall right off. So let's give it a try. Dang. Oh, let's go. It just dissolves it right off. It's like, I can't even describe it. It's not even like a plasti anymore. It's like a goo. Dang. Oh my gosh, this stuff is the real deal. Wow. I'm so happy because I've been trying to remove this for a while and I didn't know what to do, and my boy Isa came and hooked it up. Let's try down here. Wow. Oh, this is so cool. This is so freaking cool. I wonder if I could just wash it right off. All right, let's try the Dawn Power Wash dish soap. I doubt anything's gonna happen here, but yeah, literally nothing happened. It's still solid. I'm even scraping it with my fingernail, and it's just cleaning up the gunk on top of the Plasti-Dip, but not even removing the Plasti-Dip. So, yep, we knew it, not gonna work. All right, so the Plasti-Dip remover is working super well. I really don't know how to remove it other than dragging my finger across the whole thing. but I feel like if I have some pressure of some water, it might be able just to remove it real quick. I don't have a power wash or anything, but this is all that I got, but let's give it a try. All right, so this stuff worked super freaking well. I mean, I got 90% of all the Plasti-Dip off my rims. Now, there are some spots where there's plenty of Plasti-Dip. I don't think I effectively hit that with the spray gun. So I need to go back and spray up some of these areas that I missed. But it's hard to get inside these crevices. This rim, I love my rim, I love its design, but it's hard to get in between all these crevices where I Plasti-Dipped them years ago. But I'm gonna try and use some other materials. I might use a magic eraser. I might use a brush just to agitate it and see what we can do here. So bear with me. Let's clean this bad boy up and let's finally see these rims turning silver all over again. All right, round two, moment of truth. Oh yeah. All right, so just to recap, we're cleaning up the second rim. It's giving us a little bit of trouble because we got some of these just random spots that might have been double layered in Plasti-Dip, or I didn't really get them exactly with the dip dissolver. But 90% of the rim, the Plasti-Dip has been removed, which is looking fire. But yeah, if you're like me, you don't like seeing that. So, but the result, I mean, unbelievable, unbelievable. This thing is shiny, it's sparkling like it's brand new. Yeah, it's an older rim, so what, but I mean, it looks phenomenal. I even got inside where the lug nuts would go. This was a scratch I got a couple years ago. I remember this rim. But other than that, this thing's looking immaculate. The dip just fell right off. And guys, this product, it's the real deal. If you really regret Plasti-Dipping your rims, go get this stuff. This is gonna save you so much time. It's incredible, absolutely incredible. And we just finished our last rim. Looks great, per usual. I mean, it's absolutely spotless. Let's go get this guy back on the car. Let's go! Well guys, that's a wrap. We've officially removed all the Plasti-Dip on my Acura TL. You guys can do it yourself. It's super easy. It's not super time consuming. It took me about, I'd say, an hour and a half total, but it's a really easy job. I finished the bottle myself, and I had about less than a half of a bottle for 3 rims. So if you have a full bottle, you will have no problem removing all the Plasti-Dip on 4 of your rims. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider smashing that subscribe button, because I'm trying to get RQ's Garage to be one of the biggest automotive YouTube channels on the planet. Join me, let's make this community super awesome, super fun, super affordable, and super educational. I got my Instagram link below, so hit me a follow there where I'm trying to get more involved. Guys, I'm Rami, this is Arky's Garage. Thank you for watching, and I love you.